What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. A couple exciting things going on right now. I'm driving the Kodiak again. She's back and running. If you guys remember me getting this thing, it was white before. I bedlined it black. I am going to be doing a different paint job on it, wheels and tires and such, but I'm just going to enjoy driving it for right now because I hardly even had it like 2 weeks before I blew a hole in the piston, and then it just sat for years because it wasn't a priority. So yeah, we're back driving this thing today, and I am on my way to my shop and have some exciting news for you guys. I am surprising Zach with something he found on Facebook Marketplace, of course, that he's been eyeing up for a hot minute. And although it is Christmas, this is not a Christmas gift. We don't believe in getting Christmas gifts for each other because that's just not what the season's about. But this is more so, take my glasses off, guys. So not a Christmas gift. This is more so just like a thank you gift because he does so much for me. He's been so helpful with my channel lately. He just took this Kodiak and got it like inspected and everything. And he just does so much for me on a daily basis. So this is more so just like a little thank you gift for that. And I'm really excited. I hope he likes it. On my way to my shop, and by now, Ethan that you guys saw on the channel, he should be back with what it is. And thankfully, he was super down to help me out, go pick it up today, help me keep it a secret. He's been messaging the guy on Facebook because I don't have Facebook right now, mine's banned. So he was really down to help me make this a surprise. So shout out to you, Ethan. Thank you so much. And we're pulling it off, I guess. I mean, we're in the home stretch. It's not completed yet, but we are in the home stretch. So I'm confident that we're gonna pull this off because I'm at the house right now. Zach is still here and he has to go take a truck to a town on the other side of where my shop is. So I'm gonna get there now, meet up with Ethan, and check this thing out. I don't really know a lot about it. I've only seen a couple pictures, and him and Ethan were talking about this heavily, so I knew Ethan knew more than I did about it, so I've just let him kind of handle that, and I trust that it's a good buy. So yeah, I'm gonna head there. We're gonna check it out. If Ethan hasn't already got it inside the shop, I guess I'm gonna help him put it inside the shop. But the plan is, once Zach is done taking this truck to the next town, I'm gonna have him come to my shop. I'm gonna tell him to help me film a video or something, and then when he walks in my shop, he's gonna see what it is. So hope we can pull it off. Wish us luck, and let's go do it. All right, y'all. Ethan already put it inside, so we're gonna go check it out. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's so freaking clean. Like, did this thing just get it fresh detail? No, it's dirty, but it looks good under these lights right now. Oh my gosh. Yes, he needed this thing. This thing screams Zach, I feel like. I love the wheels and tires that are on it already. Love. All right, let's check out the interior. Not bad at all. Just needs a little reupholster on the seat. Yeah, this thing is straight. Oh, you gotta slam them old doors a little bit. So excited. Are you gonna help me surprise Zach?
Yeah.
It's that Miller Lite in the morning for me. So, fun fact, I don't know if my account was flagged for writing the check for this thing or what, but my card wouldn't go through at the gas station for me and Brian's energy drinks. So
too many extravagant purchases.
So if anyone wants to subscribe to that OnlyFans, find it on Instagram.
Drop like a $300 tip.
Yeah, drop that tip to see some toes. And you are Zach. We're gonna practice, okay? So he walks in. Okay, so first of all, to get him here, I lied to him and said that I needed money for food, and I was really, really hungry. so he needs to
Hangry.
Hangry. He needs to stop what he's doing and come here and get me food. So I think he's slightly annoyed that he's coming. And I told him that I need him to help me film a Renegade video really quick. So I'm just gonna tell him I'm gonna get like fired or something if I don't film the video. So he's gonna come in and be like, oh hi, oh yes, I'm so hungry. We're gonna go eat though, but I need you to film this video for me really quick. So
You need to pretend just slightly hangry though.
hangry.
That
I'm
way it
pissed.
believes. Yes.
A little hangry. A little rabid. I
Yes.
am actually a little hangry, like in real life. Okay, so I'm gonna just record while he's here. Okay, so you just walked in the door.
Hi, Zach.
No, you did.
Oh shit.
You're Zach. Okay, ready? Hi. Okay, just film this for me really quick and then we'll leave, okay? So, it's with the D150, so what I'm thinking, if you can just like hold the camera right here, and then he'll be like, oh, don't you think?
Hmm. And
You could be hiding. Guys, I checked his location. He's literally like right next door. Brian, get in position. We thought we were more prepared than what we were, but we're not. Is your car here? Is he gonna know you're here?
My car's up very.
Okay, because I didn't want to be like, why didn't Brian help you? Oh, guys, he's pulling up. Brian, he pulled up. There he is. There he is. He drove a customer's truck here. Hello. You get food with me, yes? Do you want to film this for me really quick?
Whatever you need, babe.
Okay, come here. Because I already have. I already know exactly the angle I wanted and everything, so if you could just like stand right here.
What the hell? How'd you pull that out of your ass? That ain't worth the fuss.
That was a good surprise, huh?
Oh.
You almost walked in that way and seen it first.
Well, I was like, who started the D150? It smells like.
Oh, really?
I gotta buy you something.
No, it's not for Christmas. It's just because.
hey, you know what's the
So
best
you're not
part
buying
out of all this? You know what the best part is?
What?
The Mexican sticker. It's pretty clean, huh?
It looked like it didn't even answer my message.
No, he was scrolling through them and yours was still black, like you
Yeah.
hadn't seen it. I was
Oh,
like,
really? So he never replied to
No.
you? Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
Huh.
Because we were worried that you, like,
I was gonna get in a bidding war with
yeah,
you.
we were worried about
Oh, I was
that.
lowball the fuck out of them. Huh.
So you like it? I mean, it's what
Hell
you
yeah.
thought it was. It's way nicer than what I thought it was. I walked in and was like,
Now we have two.
So where does this put the plans for the F100?
To the back burner? Because this one will be like a couple day build. You suck. How the hell did you do that?
what do you mean?
Fucking pulled out and smooth over.
I was, yeah, that's why.
She said you were going to San Antonio today.
Yeah, I
And was
thought-
like, my luck, I'm gonna be coming back.
In
And you're gonna be
passing.
like, what did you? No, I'm in my shop welding. What are you talking about? I'm not on the road.
All this morning, I'm like, you need to leave. He's like, why are you being mean to me? Thank you, Ethan, for helping me pull it off.
No problem. Surprise, surprise. So I wasn't too sure about how sentimental the guy was about the truck. And he was talking about how he wished he'd put like twice pipes on the back or dual exhaust. And I was like, to be seriously, this thing's gonna get 12 valve swapped. And the exhaust is gonna be somewhere in this vicinity.
What did he say?
He said, oh, if I couldn't sell it, I was thinking about 12 swapping it too. And I was
Hell
like,
yeah.
Well, I'll beat you to it.
Our people. So, Ethan hid the other D150 behind the shop. And now we can put them together peacefully.
Sneaky little bitch.
She's like, look good together.
His and hers. Some people have his and hers matching towels.
Towels.
Yeah. This is his and hers matching
Or
towels.
handguns at that. I've seen that before.
I like your mirrors better, I think. It just goes with the vibe of that one, though.
That one's old school look.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We pulled it off. It's safe to say that he loved it. And now I'm in the shop by myself, and I'm just going to clean this thing up a little bit. It's got some bird poop on it and stuff. I'm going to shine it up so I can get some final shots for you guys. We'll get a little bit of a view of the before. Random bug. Get out of here. Get out of here. The paint's super nice. There's literally like no rust. Bird poop, we're going to take care of that real hot quick. It came with a lot of freebies. A-arm deals? Not really sure. Flannel, yes. So pretty much what I'm mainly going to use is the Triple Threat by Renegade. This is one of the new products. It's a little bit of a step up from the waterless wash, even though I do love the waterless wash. I'm going to use this today. Smells freaking amazing. So typically I spray this directly on the rag and then onto the body, but with these bird poop spots, I'm going to spray it right on and like let it soak for a minute. I'm actually going to do the glass first also before I wipe down the whole body, just in case I get this anywhere I'm not making a mess. All right, y'all, so as you can see, I've used the glass cleaner and the Triple Threat on these, and it still seems to be, it helped it a little bit, got the road grime off, but you can just kind of see the tarnished metal. So I have this new product that actually I just found on my shelf. I did not even know I had it, and it is a new product for Renegade, new product to me. I've never used it, but this is a sprayable metal polish. I was looking for one of the metal polishes to try this on, and I found this. So we're gonna try it together. It is, as you can see, any good metal polish is gonna be separated like that. So you wanna make sure, shake it really good. So it looks like it is pretty mixed up. One of these good seals on here. Don't try this at home. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna go grab a screwdriver. Okay, we're back. This is a hefty spray nozzle for sure. All right, so I'm just going to spray it onto the rag. Oh, that wasn't what I was expecting. I don't know what I was expecting, but yeah, so let's try it out. I'm gonna bring you guys a little closer. Oops. Kind of let it haze over and sit there for a minute, I think is what I'm gonna do. And then we'll kind of give it some elbow grease. Let's see what happens. I think that's looking better already. Oh, wow. Dang. I keep coming back to see if it looks as good in the camera as it does in person. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, I completely got rid of these water stains. I don't know if they were water stains, but like I don't know if you'd call it oxidization or what on here, but that cleaned it up really nice. Wow. All right. I really like this product. My first time using that. So you guys can see the difference, this is the other mirror that I already cleaned with 2 different products. So yeah, it's definitely a big difference. So I want y'all to get a good look at the before with the road grime and everything. And then we're gonna make it shine like this. What the hell that is? Ooh, that might be like dog poop, to be honest. That's unfortunate. Broken nail. Man. Oh well. I have to get something to scrape that off with. Alright, now we're gonna clean out the bed. I did find these gloves that I've never worn before. That I'm gonna put on because I don't know what else back there and it's like wet and slimy, so putting the old bitch mittens on, you know what I'm saying? But I did put the gloves on because there's razor blades back here. Like an uncomfortable amount of rusty razor blades. Like a lot. Oh shit! This was Milwaukee. Freaking Milwaukee tape measure. Why did I say it like that? These used to be nice gloves. Oh, here's where all the razor blades are coming from. Oh, remnants of a Kyle.